Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. So today I will tell you the pizza recipe, mushroom pizza recipe. For this purpose you will need 1 kg of boneless chicken. Just put it in a bowl and marinate it with some spices. And in front of you I will just put some spices, and I will just keep telling you. Mix 1 tablespoon of salt, 1.5, or according to your taste. Now add 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder, red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of chili flake, and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon of haldi powder. And mix it well. Now add 1 cup of yogurt and mix it well with all the ingredients along with the boneless chicken, and keep it in freezer for 1.5 hour. Now cut the ingredients for topping of the pizza. You will need 1 capsicum, 2 capsicum, 2 large capsicum, and cut it into the larger pieces. Now cut 1 or 2 tomatoes in larger pieces, just like the capsicum. These are the ingredients that will be used for the topping of the pizza. And also cut the 2 bigger onions in bigger pieces like tomato and capsicum. Now for dough, take 1 kg all purpose flour and knead it well. You can use more than 1 kg, 1.5 kg. Here I am making 2 large pizzas, so that's why I am using 1 kg of all purpose flour, and knead it well with different ingredients which I am telling you further. Now add 6 tablespoons of yeast. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Now add 2 scoops of sugar and mix it well, all these dry ingredients. After mixing, you will have to knead it. Now add 2 big spoons of oil in it and mix it well. Now add 1 cup of milk in this dry mixture and knead it with the water. These ingredients will be used to make the dough. Knead it well.
Knead the flour well. Knead and double A and EAD knead. Knead the flour well. इंग्लिश में बोलूँगा
इंग्लिश हाँ कहाँ बोलना
इंग्लिश लिख दो
हाँ ये लो
उर्दू ना सर
उर्दू बोलोगे ऊपर इंग्लिश लिखूंगी उर्दू में बोलोगे ऊपर इंग्लिश आती जाएगी साथ साथ
मैं इंग्लिश लिख के दूँगा
इंग्लिश बुलाती जाएगी जाएगी
अच्छा
इंग्लिश बोलूंगी पर समझ की नहीं आएगी
चलो ऊपर राइटिंग डाल देना टेक्स्ट
हाँ और डालना है Now grease this dough material with oil like this and leave it for 1.5 hours after covering it. These are the topping topping ingredients for pizza: tomato, capsicum, onion, meat, boneless meat, and these small pieces tomato. And beside this, take one more tomato and cut into the smaller pieces, and this will, and also the onion and garlic. This will be used to make the masala of topping of pizza dough. Get all your ingredients ready and put them aside. Put all these ingredients aside, and now take a big kadai, big pot, and you will have to fry the topping material, which in which capsicum. First of all, we will fry the capsicum. After that, onion will be fried. Now just fry the marinated chicken, the boneless chicken, which you have placed in the fridge for half an hour, for 1.5 hours. Just fry the chicken, boneless chicken, well. After frying the chicken, just fry the onion, garlic, and tomatoes, and make the mixture of all these ingredients. Now add chili powder, chili flakes, salt, curry powder, and coriander powder. Again in this mixture, 1.5 tablespoon of all the ingredients. During this process, just go and turn on your cooking range so that it gets heat up and we can bake the pizza easily. Turn on your cooking range half an hour before putting the pizza inside your cooking range. Now all these ingredients have been fried. Now add tomato ketchup according to your taste. It might be half cup of tomato ketchup. You can increase the quantity of tomato ketchup according to your taste. After 1 hour, just check your dough, even if it's ready. Now cut the dough in the pieces, like I am making three different pizzas. of different sizes. So I have cut it the dough in 3 pieces. Now grease the pizza container with oil. Now put the dough in the pizza container and make its surface flat to fit it in the container. Make pores with the fork into the surface of dough so that the air can pass out. Now lap the masala which you had fried with onion, tomato, garlic, and put the cheddar cheese pieces. After it, put the onions, mushrooms, chicken for topping of the pizza. I'm making 2 pizzas, so I'm doing the same process. Now put the bigger tomato pieces on the top of dough. If you want to make it more cheesy, then you can sprinkle the shredded cheese like this. After topping, grease the olive oil on the corners of your dough, pizza dough. Now after topping, just put the pizza container in cooking range and leave it for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, you can take it off from the cooking range. Now your pizza is ready. Just have it, cut it into the pieces and serve. I'm just sharing the recipe of pizza in Urdu, and the whole recipe is shown at the end of this video. So kindly subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you.